answer on question what type of treatment of addiction is most successful is really difficult because answer can depend on the situation. It's not same in America and East Europe or Africa. It's different from addiction to addiction. Not all addiction are same type, and we don't have really enough data, enough research that we can say this is exact and clear, because many research was financed by organizations who use some approach to addiction. But I can show from my experience in Novi Sad, where I work, government use mostly the approach to medicine, methadone or substitution. And the idea is to minimize damage, and they hope that after some times addicts will use less and less medicine and finally stop to use. But that never happened, because if you are addict and the government sponsor your addiction, you will use the drugs forever, you know, it's good for you. And other approach like different counseling, different secular type of counseling, I don't have any statistics to tell you, or I don't know any heroin addicts, because I work mostly with heroin addicts who is clear after some sessions with counselor. But I know many heroin, alcohol, gamblers who are free now, who live productive life, who are clean 5, 6, 7 years, and who attend some way of Christian counseling or Christian rehab center. Okay, and this is my opinion. Most effective program is every program who include Christian aspect, especially Gospel of Jesus Christ, new identity in Jesus Christ, like 12-step or other program, and every program who use fellowship or support group, place where addicts can come and develop relationship and hear on Jesus Christ, who can give new hope. I am former addicts too, I must say. I was alcohol addict. I started to drink very young. I was only 14 when I first take alcohol, and from that time I was really heavy drinker. I know I destroyed my life till 20, and in that time I first time heard about Jesus Christ, and that message of Jesus Christ give me new hope, new new reason to live, and that set me free really. People helped me, counselor helped me to deal with problem of addiction, but main reason why I'm free now 20 years is Jesus Christ.